Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 2nd in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. You see I got 92 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz, then click start quiz. Here you see February 2nd, a question. What is a smart contract? And total 4 options in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option, you will get 100 gems. And if you select any incorrect option, you will receive only 20 gems. So before it, I will provide you the correct option. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the joining link is in the video description. Now I will provide you the correct option. The option number 1 is the correct option. Select this option and click on submit. Here you see correct. You got 100 gems. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Please like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.